Right. Good morning, everybody. We are at the Hilton Hotel now in Nandi. Hilton Denarau in Nandi. Bula Yandra. And we've got the whole team here. Tutu Cyril, Kalei, Haley. Not the whole team, Salai.
The girls.
Only the boys are not here. Yeah. Right now we are on our way to go and have our breakfast.
We have some left down here.
Not yet. Oh, you already know your way there. Yeah. Bula. Huh? Sang vinaka. Yeah. Yeah, it's oh lovely. I get one teki. So we are at Hilton Hotel in Denarau. It's really nice. They've got a big rooms. So in one room there's one king size bed, and there's 2 single beds in another room. And they have their separate bathroom and toilets. Ya gitu sa mista kisarangan na yanu na takariki Sheraton Resort. Taila saranga bir mi takariki Sheraton. Okay. The sun is out and it's a bit windy, but it's okay. At least it's not cold. So we better make the most of it and enjoy this weather while we can. I'm gonna see no. Oh, I don't know this place. We are like the blind leading the blind. I think that's the wrong way. Yeah. Oi, Bango. Hey, Tali. Oh, okay. Nasino. Lebu saranga na puliki. And away tui. Not what sandy beaches like the one in Tokoriki, but it's okay. I'm gonna pool. Kata-kata pina kana sing. So I think the pool will be okay for swimming this morning. Nambongi, ketolak may pakai bata-bata. Bata-bata birai kia ketu nalak swimming lah di pakai kata-kata cukup begitu. Gonna pool. Sheraton Tokoriki. Oh, and actually, Hilton Hotel. Pool. Babando na pool hiki. Bula yan Rubinaka. Thank you, you too. Gonna pool. There's another 2 pool there, here, this side. Oh, malaki talaga. It's got a nice view out in the sea. And some, yeah, everything is nice here. I'm gonna need breakfast. Oh, what's our room number? 701 or 501? No, 701. We'll just put everything on 701. Yeah. Oh, no. Kim to 501? It was 701. Morning. Oh, you're 501.
We're 701.
Yeah. I'm gonna take it. Oh. Is there any space outside? Can you check? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can sit on separate table. Oh, it's a bus, eh? Huh? A tour? Sala kami naman tamba na kayo, makataro may rin, lumanda bis ka. So, Helala, did you sleep well last night?
Mo di ba binakabala?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Kim to mo de kede pa nan longa kede?
Sa ngayon, kailan mo naman sa mo na
Sofa. Sorry? 501?
yeah.
501 and 701. 501, there's 3 of us there. And then 701, there's 4 of them.
No, 5 of them.
Is it not?
5 of them.
Oh, 5, yeah.
Huh?
Seven zero one 1 2 3 4. 701 na naman do. Yeah, 4. 4. And then 501, there's 3 of us. Okay, Mariko. We got our table now, so lovely breakfast. Bola vinaka, bola. Fruit salad. Oh, lovely fruit salad. Pineapple, rock melon, papaya, and there's guava and prunes. With syrup. Bola. So there's sausages, hash brown, tomato relish, Parmesan cheese, scrambled eggs. Oh, they've got poached egg. Nice. Sauces. And this is the salad. Salad. This is nice. I'm gonna wait to eat. Wait to go. Nice. Sin pa ka ngay Tokoriki, nice white sandy beaches, and it was really hot. Oh gosh, I'm looking for my family now. I don't know where they are. Wait, saan na TV tumba? Ako ka?
Sana kita sa
Oi. Oh, they've got gluten-free pudding,
Okay, I'll sell that
gluten-free orange cake, banana slice, banana muffin, chocolate slice. What's that?
Don't know. I'm trying for the first time.
Oh, gluten-free.
Yes.
Vanilla. Oh, I don't know what that is. Maybe a vanilla cake. And there's some pastries here. Pastries, all pastries.
lemon.
Oh, nice. Okay. What are you going to have?
Don't got a normal one.
Oh, they also have poached egg.
I have egg
They've got
one.
poached eggs, scrambled eggs,
Omelette, India.
yeah, omelette.
I did have some tea and a couple of croissants.
What?
And some croissants.
Oh, yesterday?
No,
Oh no.
today.
Okay. I don't know what to have. There's a lot of choices. Yeah.
This is yours, these are mine.
Okay.
So I put it here.
Oh, what are you having? Nice. Where's the salad?
You found one?
No, it's not answering.
Muesli, but they have this thing. Matcha muesli. You want to try?
Yeah, let me try that.
Do they have porridge? Do they have porridge?
Oh yeah, sorry. Want a cup of tea?
Yes, that will be fine. Cup of tea.
Oh, 볼비나카. 몰라. 야, 산댄데. Kita 지금 거의 Hilton Hotel. What do you think about this hotel?
Quite nice.
It's nice. Yeah, but it's huge. Yeah. Oh yes, I think so. Yeah. I miss the hotel at the island. Yeah, because it's small and yeah, everybody's very welcoming. It's homely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The next hotel is very nice, isn't it?
Sorry?
The next hotel is smaller.
It should be nice. No, it's big as well. But I think it's really nice because I've heard a lot of good reviews about it.
Okay.
So I met some families that came to Tokoriki,
Nice.
and they've been to Outrigger already before they came to Tokoriki, and they said Outrigger is really nice.
Okay.
It's something like Tokoriki Sheraton.
Oh, that'll be nice.
Yeah. I don't know what the kids are doing. Oh, I need to order my decaf latte and cappuccino. What are you having, Hailey?
Hash brown, poached egg, tuna, baked beans.
Oh my gosh, you're not tired of eating baked beans and hash brown?
Ando kini yang gay ko rin yung guli.
Mention na. Iyo, baka bata mo kanya baka na bani sendo nakakanababi. Siguro sa ikunarok nga ko kung badalikan niya ito nakakanagot.
Ano na spala?
Mr. Libby?
Ba't kami yung sipang?
Oh, yeah, okay. Naka. So yeah, let me just go and get something to eat. I don't know what Sela is making. Oh, and they also have a decaf coffee. They don't have decaf tea here. They have oat milk, soy milk, and they have a coffee machine. What are you having?
Wanna mix the syrup?
Oh, nothing good.
Huh?
Nothing good.
Tea.
Oh. Oh, yang
Oat milk.
Oh. Freshly brewed coffee. Oh, they've got skim and oat milk.
Almond milk.
Oh, na almond milk parang ah.
Maria.
Soy milk and almond milk. Gluten-free cornflakes. Tingin ko kaya na cereal. Nutri-grain, Cocoa Pops, Fruit Loops. And there's Weetabix and orange. And they've got some tropical juice, apple juice, orange juice, and aqua water. I think that's just fresh mineral water. Already order taka na mango cappuccino because order taka kaya ng boni and it was really nice. Already order taka kaya. Oh yeah, okay. Na have you tried na decaf cappuccino? Is that okay? Okay. Na konabon dam ba? Awara ka? Kanya katan. Ay. Minaka. Oh, look at these kids. Aren't they tired of eating English breakfast? What you having?
The scrambled egg, baked beans,
Hash brown.
hash brown, and salad.
Ooh, wow. Is it nice? I think that's porridge, isn't it?
The muesli.
No, the bottom, the creamy bit. That looks like porridge, but it looks nice.
Some muesli.
Oh, the muesli is the one on top. No? Say hello. Yeah. Sabi nakpaliv na sa mamay. Iwarik nga gorto na vitamani. Gorto sila ko siya meloto ka. Traffic jam sa nga meloto ka na mataklinik ko. Nakapakalevo.